Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing multiples and factors chapter. So in our previous session, we were discussing the methods of finding LCM. So today we will continue that. So we will discuss second method of finding LCM, that is short division method. So to explain this, I am taking example, find the LCM by the short division method, which is short division method is some kind of prime factorization. You know how to find prime factorization of single number, but here we will find prime factorization of two numbers or more than two numbers. Okay, means commonly we will find the prime factorization. Method is same. Okay, so suppose I have to find LCM of 24 and 36 by using short division method. So I will write like this. You are familiar with this way. Okay, now both are even terms, even numbers, so both will be divided with 2. Okay, so we will write here 2. Next step will be, you will write whole sum in single step, but for your understanding I have bifurcated this sum. Okay, so when you will divide with 2, 24, 12 2s are 24, so you know here we write quotients. Okay, next table means second table. So 12 2s are 24 and this 18 2s are 36. If you are not very good in tables, you can divide it 36 with 2 in rough work and you will get the second factor. Okay, so again both are even, so again we will divide with 2. Okay, so it comes here, so 2 6 are 12 and 2 9s are 18. So we have written second factors. Now 6 and 9, out of 6 and 9, again 6 is a even number, but 9 is not an even number, doesn't matter, you divide it with 2. Okay, till the time you are getting even numbers, even single, you are supposed to divide it with 2. Okay, so again I will divide it with 2, so 2 3s are 6. Now student, this is the main point, please be careful. Now this 6 is divisible with 2, but 9 doesn't come in 2's table, so it is not divisible. So we will write this 9 as it is in next step. 2 3s are 6, so it is not divisible, it will be written as it is. This is very important step to note down. Okay, so now next, both are odd numbers, so we will try with 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So only 3 is left. Again we will divide with 3. This 1 is 1. Okay, now 3 1s are 3. So we will divide with prime numbers till we get 1 in the end. Okay, so easy and interesting. So now what will be the LCM? LCM will be the product of all these common factors. These are the common factors, common of 24 and 36. Okay, so we will multiply all these prime factors. So answer is 72. It means 72 is the least common multiple of 24 and 36. Means if we write 24's and 36 table, then their smallest means the very first common multiple. I am not saying the very first multiple. The very first common multiple between these two will be 72. You can try it by writing their tables in rough work. Okay. So next, one more example I am taking here. Here I have taken 3 numbers. Okay. If there are 3 numbers or 4 numbers or more than that, method will be same. In your syllabus it is still 3 numbers only. So I have taken here 10, 15 and 20. Here I am solving it single step. So I can see the common terms. If there is any one common term also, then you also have to divide it with 2. Okay, now there are two even numbers, so divide it with 2. So 2 fives are 10. 15 doesn't come in 2's table, so as it is, 10 twos are 20. Okay, clear? First you have done in single term, in prime factorization, now in double term, two terms, then in three terms. Method is same. Now again I can see even number, one even number, so I will divide it with 2. So 5 as it is, because it is not divisible with 2. 15 as it is. Now 10. 2 fives are 10. Now you can see all are odd numbers, and you can divide it with 3 also, you can divide it with 5 also. If you will divide with 3 first, then second number will be 5. If you will divide with 5, second number will be 3. Answer will be same, doesn't matter. So because I can see 5 as common in all the terms, so I have divided with 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5. Okay, it goes like this. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5. So now only 3 I can see, so it will be divisible with 3. So 1, 3 ones are 3, 1. Now students, if you see here, I have put commas to differentiate these two numbers, and here I have put hyphen. So you can use any symbol to differentiate these numbers. Okay. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 into 3, that is 60. It means 60 is the least common multiple, smallest common multiple. Now you know these three is table. So see, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60. 20 ones are 20, 20 twos are 40, 20 threes are 60. Now you see, 60 is the very first common multiple among these three numbers. I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.